Basically, we are providing data. We are providing data into the Harmony database as a first step. Then we're gonna try to exploit all the possibility of these new data sets, trying to ask him some questions, some research questions, and develop new projects of research. The main problem with big data is that the data comes from different sources and they have to be harmonized. That maybe this is why the project is called like that. And so the first step is to clean all the data, reach a common ground and integrate them into a common database. This is a very, very huge and difficult step to make. Because in this kind of malignancies, every kind of information is important, and naturally, if you get a lot of information together, you may have a lot of questions you can make on data. Different questions, you can have very specific answers from data coming from all over the world. Data will come and will flow into the database as the different research centers agree to the Harmony project. It will probably take years for every stakeholder in this project to enter their data, because everybody has to agree to the Harmony research goals, and this is something that will take a lot of time. But hopefully in a few years we're going to have some answers from data.